Welcome back to the channel. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like watching these videos so I can bring some more content to don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It only takes a few seconds. So what happened with the 944 is the I was driving home and I suddenly lost all brakes. I don't know what happened, so I just made it home by using downshifting and the parking brake. So luckily I don't live that far from work. So when I got home, I noticed that the grommet for the brake booster was a little bit old and corroded, torn, and I blew into this part and I was able to blow and suck air through here. So that's one of the tests that you can do to let you know that this piece here is called a check valve for the brake booster. So if you're able to blow and suck through this hole, then this brake booster check valve is no good. Plus, when I was taking it off, this little nipple broke off, and that's for your climate control. So anyway, I got those parts on order. So I had to take the Nismo to work this week. And today, when I got in the car to start it, it wouldn't start. And I always keep this car on a trickle charger. Both of my cars, I keep them on trickle chargers when I'm not driving them. So luckily this lady showed up because she saw I had my hood up at work in the parking garage, and she was like, "You need a jump? I have a jumper box." So she went to her car, got the jumper box. We put it on here, connected it, and sure enough, the car started. And I made it home, and the battery checks out good, so I don't know what's going on. So that's what's happening right now, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the Porsche and the Nismo, and stay tuned for more content. I have some more parts that I got ordered for the Porsche, and right now nothing's really going on with the Nismo. The stereo that I put in and the cameras are working good. Stereo's working good. The subwoofer that I installed in back of the driver's seat, that is amazing. I'll try to play some music for you on the next video that's not copyrighted, and just in case if y'all ever want to do that. But it's on my videos on 944 Muscle. You can scroll through the video list and see the 350Z stereo install video. Alright, I'll talk to you later.